So what do you guys think of this little RC truck? As you can see from that little preview, that it is quite capable. It can go through grass, dirt, mud, no issues whatsoever. Now it probably does best indoors and on carpet and things like that. But if you do decide to take it outside and cut it out through the grass, it's going to get the job done. Let's go ahead. We're going to point the camera down, take a closer look at the actual truck itself, and see all the different stuff you're going to get with it. Alright, so we have the truck right here. First I'm going to show you what you're going to get. This is going to be your controller for driving around. You will have to provide batteries for this controller. You're going to get a little Phillips screwdriver, and that's for taking off your battery backs, for installing your batteries. You will get a charge cord because the batteries are rechargeable. And you're going to get 2 of these batteries for twice the runtime and twice the fun. And let's not forget the actual manual. Now when you take a closer look at the truck itself, you can see that it has a 4-link coilover suspension. It's friction shocks, but it does have an actual real working suspension. It is fully functional. You have forward and reverse, right and left. Based on a roll cage design, it does have metal panels for the roof, the hood, and the doors. It's actually a 2-wheel drive truck. You have power in the back, steering in the front. This is your steering motor. This is your drive motor. You can see the 4-link suspension right here, and that you actually get nice articulation and movement in it, and that helps you in those off-road scenarios. And overall, it's just a great little truck. This is going to be perfect for the beginner looking to get into the RC hobby. They make great stocking stuffers, Christmas presents, birthday presents, or just anytime presents. It's fun for the parents, it's fun for the kids, and you can't go wrong when you go RC. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.